Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a super healthy, high fiber weight loss roti which will help to keep you fuller for a longer time in your weight loss journey. You can have this roti as a filling lunchbox meal and they will stay soft for a longer time. These rotis can be had as a filling and nutrient dense breakfast, lunch or dinner in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. The main ingredient in this recipe is lauki, also known as bottle gourd. Bottle gourd is rich in both soluble and insoluble fibers, vitamin C, A and K, and essential minerals like sodium, calcium, iron, zinc and magnesium. I'm using half of a medium-sized tender lauki and I have already peeled the skin with my potato peeler and I'm grating it, and then with my knife I'm chopping it really fine. Add the grated lauki into a large bowl. Add in 1 green chilli chopped, a handful of coriander leaves chopped, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, pink Himalayan salt as needed. Add in 2 tablespoon besan flour, also known as chickpea flour, half teaspoon saunf, also known as fennel seeds, half teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds, half teaspoon ajwain. I'm just crushing it and adding the ajwain so that the flavors are released. 1/4 teaspoon jeera powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, a big fat pinch of black pepper powder to help the turmeric absorb faster into your body, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder or as per your taste, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala. Mix this really well and keep in mind that the lauki will release water. Now add in 1 cup of khapli wheat flour. These days I prefer to use khapli wheat flour. Khapli wheat, also known as emmer wheat, is an ancient variety of wheat grain which has very less gluten when compared to modern wheat. Now mix all this really well, and if needed you can sprinkle in little water, about 1 or 2 tablespoons. Add in 1 teaspoon desi ghee and mix well and knead it into a soft dough. Pinch of slightly larger dough than normal roti dough and sprinkle in some khapli wheat flour and then roll it into a round circle. You may need to level the sides to get a decent round shape. And once done, place it on the tawa and on medium flame cook both sides and then drizzle in half teaspoon desi ghee on each side and cook both the sides until done. The roti will take a slightly longer time to cook than normal roti, so keep the flame on medium low. And once the lauki roti is nicely cooked, you can enjoy with raita or homemade pickle of your choice. The addition of desi ghee helps in the assimilation of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A, E, K and D. So do not skip desi ghee as it is a must to help assimilate vitamins and minerals faster into your body. Desi ghee also helps to lower the glycemic index of the wheat flour. Once the rotis are done, you can see how soft the lauki roti is, an ideal meal for breakfast, lunch or dinner in your weight loss journey. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.